Okay, so good morning, everyone. Today we are going to revise chapter number 1 and 2 of your book. It so happened. So, first of all, let us discuss chapter number 1, how the camel got its hump. Okay, first question is that how did camel behave when the animals went to him? How did camel behave when the animals went to him? Hanji, Arush.
And the camel was not responding to their questions, and he always said, hum.
Okay, and he always said hump. Right answer. Okay. Uh, why were the animals upset with the man? Why were the animals upset with the man? Hanji, Mahir, बोलिए बेटा.
And the camel didn't work, and because of his uh, idleness they had to work extra. They had to work double, as the man said, and they didn't want to do the work of someone else's part.
Right answer. Okay. Who complained against the camel to the jinn? Who complained against the camel to the jinn? Yes. Just wait. Hanji. Nishtha.
Ma'am, the horse complained against the camel to the jinn.
Was it the only horse?
Ma'am, it was also the ox.
Yes, the horse and the ox, both of them complained against the camel. Okay. Uh, why did the man call all the three animals together? Why did the man call all three animals together? Beta ji, please raise your hands. Priyanshi.
The man called all the animals because he was going to tell them that they have to work twice, and the camel is sitting idle. That's why they have to their work and camel work both.
Okay, they have to do camel's work also because he did not work. Right. Next question is, when the jinn went to the camel, how did he behave? When the went to the camel, how did he behave? Sia, बोलिए बेटा.
Can you repeat?
Means you were not listening carefully. When the
मैम
jinn,
आपकी वॉइस क्रैक हो गई थी.
okay, when the jinn went to the camel, how did he behave? Sia, unmute yourself. Beta, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So I thought
Yes.
Sia is not responding. Maybe I'm not audible to her. Okay, Nivi, answer this question.
When the jinn
Hmm.
when the jinn went to the camel, it doesn't paid much attention to the jinn. He just said hum and continued looking in the pool at its own reflection.
Right answer. This is the right answer. Okay. So what was the result of his this behavior with the jinn? What was the result of his behavior with the jinn? Yashpreet. यशप्रीत अनम्यूट करें बेटा.
मैम ये नहीं आता.
Okay, you don't know the answer. Okay, Nishtha.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
What was the result of camel's behavior?
Ma'am, the result of camel's behavior with the jinn was that the jinn turned the camel's back into a hump when the camel said a hump again.
Right answer. So now moving on to our next chapter, that is the children at work. Okay, how did Velu react when the train pulled in at Chennai Central? How did Velu react when the train pulled in at Chennai Central? Jannat.
When the train pulled at Chennai Center, Velu took some time to get off. When he stood on the platform, his legs were shivering as if he was traveling on the train.
And at last he found a bench to sit on. Right? Okay. Next question is, uh, how did Velu meet Jaya? How did Velu meet Jaya? Nishka, बोलिए बेटा.
Venu was at the platform and he was sitting on the bench with his head in the knees. Jaya saw him and asked him if he had run from his home.
She directly didn't ask this question if he had run from his home. है ना? She directly didn't ask. It is after some time conversation she said this. She asked this question, but we will say that she saw Velu sitting on the bench with his head between his knees, and then she tried to talk to Velu again and again. Right? हाँ जी. Next है why had Velu run away from home? Abhinandan. Why had Velu run
Velu
away from home?
Velu ran away from his home because his father was a drunkard, and the money he earned was spent away by his father for drink.
And one more point was there. His father used to beat him, and he could not bear his father beating him. Right? Is it
Yes,
clear,
ma'am.
Bete? Okay. How did Velu cross the road? How did Velu cross the road? Hanji, the question which I asked was, how did Velu cross the road? Yes, Mahir. बोलिए बेटा.
Ma'am, Velu followed Jaya, and then they had to cross a road. Jaya was dragging Velu, but he was hesitating to cross the road. Dust was all around, and Jaya told him that if he didn't cross the road carefully and quickly, he would be grounded into a chutney. He would be ground into a chutney.
Right answer. This is the correct answer. Okay. Why did Velu decide to be a rag picker? Why did Velu decide to be a rag picker? Hanji, Diksha Kaushal. Why did Velu, unmute करे दीक्षा अपने आप को. Why did Velu decide to be a rag picker? Diksha, unmute yourself, bete. You are able to clearly get me what I am saying and speaking. So don't pretend as if you are not able to get me, beta. हाँ जी. प्रियांशी, Ashley बोलिए बेटा आंसर इसका.
Velu decided to be a rag picker because he don't have any other choice. He decided to be a rag picker until he find a better job.
Until he find a better job. Okay. हाँ जी. Next, until he finds a better job. Right? What food did Velu and Jaya get from the garbage bin? What food did Velu and Jaya get from the garbage bin? Tarun Batra, बोलिए बेटा.
एक मिनट। नहीं आता।
इतना सोच के नहीं आता. हाँ जी, प्रिया. Priya, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, Velu and Jaya. Ma'am, the Velu and Jaya found.
बोलो बोलो बेटे.
Ma'am, Velu and Jaya found a banana and a vada from the
From the नूर, बताइए बेटा.
Velu and Jaya found a vada and a banana from the garbage bin. She Jaya Jaya gave Velu to eat it, and she found one more banana and she ate it.
And she ate that.
Ate it.
Okay. Where did Jaya lead Velu for the food? Where did Jaya lead Velu for the food? हाँ जी. माहिर, बताइए बेटा.
क्वेश्चन समझ नहीं आया.
Where did Jaya lead Velu for food? Where did she take him to get food?
Ma'am, Jaya took Velu to a mandapam. On the back side of the building, there was a garbage bin, and there they found food for
There
themselves.
was, yes, right answer. Okay, so I'll be pasting a Google form, right? So fill that Google form and let me know the marks and the doubts which you have. Then we'll discuss that.